All right, we're live here with Brad, otherwise known as the homeless guy we found behind Rite Aid that now works for us. He claims he has other things to him, but something about a water district, but that's besides the point.
That's beside the point. We don't talk about the water district.
No. But okay.
Yes.
Serious questions. All right. If you could have any animal, including wild animals, as a pet, what would it be?
Maybe one of those extinct mountain cats that they just came up with, like in the Himalayas or some state like that country. Because they're pretty cool and rare. Because then I'd be the only one. Never mind, you're lining me up with something I should not be saying. Yes, kitty cats are beautiful.
I didn't even batch.
No.
All right.
There was something coming up with that, and I wasn't going to say that.
All right. Well,
kitty cat.
Extinct kitty cat.
Yeah, she went way big. Long tail.
I've never seen it. I'm going to have to Google this.